your girl Bliss. I'm so glad that you guys are joining. If you are new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So y'all, I had to go ahead and take these bob braids down. My hair was smelling so bad, like homegirl was like a musketeer. She was just thanking you guys. And it wasn't so much the braids itself, but it was more so in my scalp. And y'all, I got to the bottom of it to really just kind of narrow down what could have caused my hair to smell so bad. Now keep in mind, I only wash my braids maybe once or twice a month. I typically don't keep my braids in no more than 2 months tops here lately. So washing my hair, nothing with the shampoo, hair smell great, but it is what I apply to my scalp afterwards. But I must say, you guys, when I took these braids down, my hair underneath were extremely moisturized. I'm so excited that my hair was moisturized really well underneath the braids. So this is my hair taken down. You guys, this is the product that had my scalp smelling so bad. The Wonder Grow. The Wonder Grow worked wonders for my hair, but this Indian hemp, you guys, it just smells bad. Do not use this in your braids. This concludes today's video. Smooches.